shorts go viral faster than normal YouTube videos. Yeah, shorts, they go viral very faster. So please, if you want to have a viral video on YouTube, please make sure you always post shorts. To post YouTube shorts, first of all, you need to make a video not more than 1 minute. Okay, your video needs to be maximum 1 minute, and it should be very, very captivating and very, very interesting. So what you do is you just go on your phone. I mean, this video, particularly phone users. So you just go on your phone, you see this YouTube icon, right? This YouTube icon here, you just click once. Once you have clicked on the YouTube icon, you're going to see your YouTube homepage, the one you see here. This YouTube homepage. When you see this YouTube homepage, you just go below your phone, okay? Below your phone, you're going to see home, you're going to see short, you're going to see plus, you're going to see subscription and library. These are the 3 icons you're going to see below your home page on YouTube. Okay, so after you have seen this, you just go to the third, which is the plus. You click on that plus. You get it right? When you click on that plus, you're going to see another options. Create a short, upload a video like the one we did the other day, go live. I mean, you can also go live on YouTube, very, very sure. Go live together. I mean, if you want to go live with a friend or a family or a partner, you can choose this option if you want to go live and create a post. Like I said in my previous video, you can also post a picture on YouTube. So for this video today, we want to create a short. Some people get very confused, and one thing people don't know is shorts go viral faster than normal YouTube videos. Yeah, shorts, they go viral very faster. So please, if you want to have a viral video on YouTube, please make sure you always post short. If you're watching this video up to now, meaning you're very interested in what I'm saying, so please, I'm begging you, you can help like, comment and share the video. And what if you make a video and upload on the comment section? Let me see how far you have gone. It helps motivate me. At least I'll be very happy to know that I have somebody following me and I'm also educating somebody. Okay, let's move forward. And please don't forget to share this video. Share massively, because that's what gives us the courage to do more video like this. Okay, now if you have reached this level that you have seen, create a short, upload a video, go live together and create a post, please go to create short, click on short. You get a point. Now you can also record video. You see, this is myself here. Okay, you can record a video and just post on your short. Very, very easy. For example, let me record. Today I'm making a video teaching about how to upload shorts video on YouTube. Okay, so please follow along and don't forget to like, comment and share. Poop, I'm done. That is it, right? I just accept the video and I go to next. You see, and it's going. That is it. All I need to do now is just to create a caption like I taught you in my previous video. If you want to create a caption, please make sure you go on YouTube and search for that same caption. Okay, search for that caption and see the video with the highest view and copy that caption and come and put it on your video. You can just modify few or 2 or 3 words from there and you post the same caption. So that is how you work to get a viral video. So you just put a caption, how to create a reel or how to create a short. Okay, how to create a short, something like that, blah 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 blah, and you come and choose public. Always be careful, choose public here, because some people, their video, they will do it and they don't put public and the video will just be looking at them like that. Please make sure you choose public. Public is very important. When you have choose public, and if you want to schedule the video, you can schedule to the time you want to schedule. You click schedule here and it is going to show you the time and the date you want to schedule your video, and poop, you schedule and go. And if you want to post it now, you just go to upload short. That is it. Very simple. You don't need to stress. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, because that really encourages us to do more video. Thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.